Today we're going to be removing this shingle here. You can see pretty much damaged to see if there's any repairability issues. All right, so the roof snake is perfectly sealed. You can see the shingle is not allowing to get unsealed. That is damage. The roof snake is down on the roof here. That one, no issue. That one, no issue. Okay. So the shingle right here. Okay. There we go. You can see this ripped right in the middle. These shingles are too brittle to be replaced. Okay, there's another one. Another one. The action, both of these are right on the roof. You can see, I do not take too kindly to that. Gunk in it. All right, so this nail here, stick the roof snake underneath of it, not taking it up over 45 degrees. That shingle is ripping up. This roof is not repairable. All right, so we still got to unseal these two here. Put you on 0.5. Roof snake down on the roof. What do you know? It rips. Rips again. One more shingle, just to prove it. Another rip. Time to get the rest of these nails out. We have the nails pulling through the actual fastener. Shingle comes out. That one ripped off. Now, that is not acceptable. Everything was done with precaution and the right tool. These shingles are too brittle for repair. Also, there is 2 layers here.